On all 2017 and 2018 CR Versus at or above the X-Trim level, the Honda Sensing Suite is standard equipment. Honda Sensing includes a series of cameras and sensors that actively help the driver pay more attention to the road and traffic. Attempting to prevent accidental lane departures or fender benders, Honda Sensing is also paying attention when the driver neglects to do so. And although Honda's technology isn't quite as robust as Tesla's Autopilot 2.0, it does have a similar Tesla-like feature that allows it to execute low-speed following in bumper-to-bumper traffic during rush hour.